In this historic land of China, there are many customs that have been passed down from generation to generation, among which tomb sweeping is the most solemn and affectionate one. It is not only a tribute to the ancestors, but also a continuation of family feelings. Every Qingming season, people will embark on the road of tomb sweeping to offer their thoughts to their deceased relatives. When we walked into the cemetery, there were neatly arranged tombstones, which quietly told the vicissitudes of time and the impermanence of life. The words on the tombstone have been blurred, but the heavy emotion is still fresh. The first step in sweeping the tomb is to clean the tombstone and the surrounding environment. People use a broom to gently wipe the dust off the tombstone, and carefully wipe the inscription with a rag to make the place look new, as if to tell the ancestors that we have never forgotten them. Then comes the tribute. People bring a variety of food, fruits, and flowers, and place them neatly in front of the tombstones. These tributes are not only a tribute to our ancestors, but also a symbol of our deep remembrance of them. Looking at these foods and flowers, we seem to feel the warmth and love of our ancestors, as if they are still by our side, sharing the bits and pieces of life with us. Sometimes you can also see some special tributes, such as the ancestors' favorite cigarettes, alcohol, or snacks. These details reflect the deep attachment of the descendants to the ancestors. It was believed that these tributes could be received by the ancestors in another world. However, the most unique and eye-catching part of tomb sweeping is the burning of paper money, paper, small houses, and cars. These seemingly simple acts actually contain profound cultural and religious connotations. In traditional Chinese culture, it is believed that by burning these things can be transferred to another realm and directly to the hands of the ancestors. So, we see a series of interesting scenes. People carefully set fire to paper money, paper houses, and paper cars. The purpose is to allow the deceased ancestors to live a good life in another realm, and to pray for the blessings of the ancestors. Of course, these paper coins are thrown into the fire one by one, which also represents our thoughts about our ancestors, burning little by little and turning into ashes, but they are eternal in our hearts. In the process of burning paper, some people will whisper to their ancestors about the trivial matters of their recent lives, and those small houses and cars are a kind of imagination and continuation of the life of our ancestors, and we hope that they can also live a happy and comfortable life in another world. The custom of tomb sweeping is not only a tribute to the ancestors, but also a cultural inheritance and emotional continuation. It makes us understand that no matter how the years change, no matter where we go, we must not forget those ancestors who have given us and cared for us. Even if they are gone, they can still guard our future in another realm. Every tomb sweep is not only a baptism of the soul and the sublimation of emotions, but also a life that we love and work hard for, and at the same time reduce our fear of death, because we believe that when we pass away, there will be ancestors waiting for us in another plane. In the process of sweeping the tombs, we not only remember our ancestors, but also re-examine our own lives and learn to cherish and be grateful. This legacy and remembrance has always been with us and has become an indispensable part of our lives.